Welcome to Glorious Nature. Today I am going to share about Calathea plant. So Calathea is coming under Marantha family. So it otherwise called as prayer plant. So this variety name is Calathea ornata. So Calathea ornata otherwise called as pinstripe plant. So I will show you Calathea ornata plant. It look like plastic, but it is not plastic, it's real plant. You can see that leaves are lined with one pink type of marker. But not like that, okay? It is a real leaf, okay? Not any, we did not draw anything, it's real leaf. That's why Calathea plant like or everyone. Then for interior garden, we can set with this Calathea plant because of beautiful leaf. You can see pink line, okay? So Calathea plant we will call like prayer plant because of it same like when we are praying, we are closing our both hand, okay? So like that these leaves are fold together during night. Then we can move on to Calathea care. Not only Calathea ornata care, total all type of Calathea, same care only. So I will explain. First regarding light. This plant like indirect sunlight, indirect bright light. Do not provide too much light or do not provide direct light because this plant do not like too much light anything. So if we are providing indirect light, it will happy, but if we don't provide light also, it happy like that only. So if we can possible, we can give little indirect light, mean medium light, not heavy light, no require for this plant. Then regarding temperature, when this plant we can keeping in indoor. When we are keeping indoor, outdoor also possible, but in shade area. When we are keeping indoor, we have to maintain our temperature between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, not more than 30. Then regarding humidity, this plant like high humidity. So if we are not providing high humidity, this plant is unhappy. So what will do? What happened? This plant become, we can see that edges of plant become brown or black color. So because of less humidity. So how we can provide humidity? You know anything? So humidity we can provide by misting method. I show that misting method by my money plant care. I think marble cube money plant. I already shown how to do misting. Just spraying water on leaves. So it provide high humidity as well as we can use pebbles tray, okay? Pebbles tray meaning we can take one plate or one tray, we can put pebbles, otherwise we can put any rock, then we can pour water, then this plant with this pot we can keeping it that tray or plate, okay? This is the pebble tray method. So it provide high humidity. Then other thing we can use humidifier, but I know very expensive. That's why we are not choose that humidifier. So we can do I think better misting method, otherwise pebble tray method. Then one more thing, we can this plant needed some other plant friends, okay? So we can keep this plant with other plant. So this plant will get humidity. So we can keep him along with other plant. So it also good to get humidity. Then regarding soil, when we are selecting soil based on pot, mean based on size of our pot, 50% of multi-purpose compost, then 30% of coco peat or peat moss, and 20% of perlite. This is the mixture of soil for my Calathea plant. When I am reporting my Calathea plants, I will take all Calathea category this soil mixer. So you have to take care about soil. Then I forget to tell this one. Here very good. Calathea ornata is sitting and smiling, but I didn't mind this plant. So then you can see that soil. I will show you. I think heavy I will show. Heavy. See, that white color thing is perlite. This is the mixture of, based on size of pot, I taken 50% of compost, 30% of cocoa peat or pet mass you can use, then 20% of perlite. This is the mixture of my Calathea plant soil. Heavy, I cannot lift this one. So, I already explained about soil. Next, regarding water. Water, we can apply water, but do not apply overwatering. When the soil is partially dry, not completely dry, when it halfway it dry, we can apply water, because this plant like that moist soil. Okay, so we have to maintain that soil like moist but not wet, or so we have to maintain like moist, otherwise plant unhappy. So you have to take care about that. Then next, regarding, I already explained about light, then watering, then temperature, then humidity also I already explained. Next, I have to tell that propagation. Propagation is the splitting method only. Calathea plant are doing like splitting method. So one Calathea we can use that cuttings. Okay, I will show which type of Calathea we can use like stem cutting. So that is the care regarding Calathea. Then two problem I think we can see, or one overwatering and underwatering. Underwatering is the problem. We can see that Calathea become yellow. Calathea become yellow. Not yellow, brown. Okay. Underwatering, it will become, sorry. Underwatering, we can see, I think, wilting as well as curling. So that leaf become curling type. It is due to underwatering, and wilting also because of underwatering. Next, overwatering. Overwatering we can identify by that leaf become yellow color, otherwise it become brown or black. Okay, this is the overwatering problem, because if we are providing overwatering for this plant, root will absorb all water, then root will die. So that root cannot provide water for our leaf. Okay, so leaf also become dry. That is the problem of overwatering. Then humidity also. If not providing adequate humidity, that plant edge become brown or black color. So that's why I am telling you can use that humidifier, otherwise misting method, otherwise pebble tray method, or we can keeping in this plant along with other plant. So this is the care regarding Calathea plant, I mean prayer plant. Especially I will show today by that Calathea ornata plant, that pinstripe, otherwise it called as pinstripe plant. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe. Then press that bell icon so you will get all notification. So thank you.